I happen to have one of these pop-up instant shelters. I also want to keep it up year-round, but I live in Colorado, and
Winter's coming.
Winter's coming.
Starks are always right eventually. Winter is coming.
so I thought to myself, how am I gonna do this? So I hopped on the interwebs, took a look around, and I saw this all-in-one unit. Let me show you what it looks like. So as you can see, everything is built into one unit. Really nice with the fuel tank, the controller, the heater, all that into one little toolbox. It is a nice piece of kit. So this could be used for RV, house, trailer, shed, tent, whatever you like. Oh, this is nice. So far we got the user's manual. Okay, a little quick start guide. Oh, wireless temperature control. It comes with a remote as well, which is nice to see. Okay, here we go. Now let's pop this open and take a closer look at the control panel and the remote. And we got the control panel. You could be inside, set your temperature. It is auto sensing. There is a thermostat in here, so you can set it and forget it. You can either power this all-in-one diesel unit with 12 volt, 24 volt DC power or AC power. There's going to be the exhaust pipe there, integrated like this. That's really nice that it comes with a heat shield. And the other side is where the heat is gonna come out. Now we got the exhaust here, axle back or the muffler. And of course we got all of our metal fasteners, hose clamps. And here is our tubing. Metal brackets to lift the unit up off its feet. Here we go. Here is going to be what's gonna power this. Here's the extra longer cable for the control panel if you need that. And in here is AC power. Okay, while reading the owner's manual, I thought I was on acid or something's wrong with my brain. Can y'all read this? What in the operation system 404 cannot... Okay, that's good. The rest of the owner's manual here is very detailed. So, that's good. So, make sure you read all this before you even start, guys. Let's add the legs on first. Okay, that's good. It's cooperating. Okay, so here's what it looks like. The heat end coming out here. Boom. Exhaust coming out this way. And then we also have the air intake here and the power supply. Alright, let's go ahead and fill her up with diesel. So she takes 1.9 gallons. So another great thing about the Hcalory ToolBox all-in-one heater here is that it's weatherproof, snowproof, waterproof, etc. So you can leave it out here all season long and not worry about it getting messed up because of the weather outside. So let's go ahead and put that to the test. Okay, I think the Hcalory has gotten enough water for today. Let's go ahead and power it up again and see if there's any issues with it being outside and doused in a bunch of water here. Okay, let's try and turn it on here. So we got the H1 logo here, just turning on. And obviously it has power, as you can see here. And I set it to level number 7 for now. So no damage at all with electronics or anything else. But this is the quietest oil pump I've ever heard in my life. Or it's not even an oil pump, it's the diesel pump that pumps the diesel into the heating chamber. It is very, very quiet. much more quiet than the one I have in my RV. So there you go, the Hcalory ToolBox heater here passed the weatherproof test with flying colors. Starting up, I can hear it already. Let me get inside and see how warm it is. Oh yeah, it's very warm in here now. No problems with all that water that I just doused the Hcalory with. Not an issue at all. Currently, yep, about 100 or so degrees inside here. Okay, now let's see how hot it is here. Oh, it's actually not that hot. It's only 66 degrees Fahrenheit on the axle back here. Let's see right here. 100 degrees. I bet you if I point right at the tip there you go. So right there is going to be 100 and almost 170 degrees right there. So definitely do not touch anywhere around here at all. So that's how it's going to look like. We'll be back at night once it's real cold. Fire up the diesel heater and see how warm it is in here. Alright, look at the remote it comes with. This is so sick. It comes with a USB-C charger. Alright, let me calm down a little bit. I thought I was going to have to pump some AAA batteries in this, but knowing that it has its own battery and plus it's USB-C, that is awesome right off the bat. Makes me happy, right? It has a little switch lever over here. And what's cool about it also is the function of this. You can set this up, put it somewhere, and use this remote as a thermostat for this room to talk to your little heater over here and to tell it to turn on as soon as it hits a certain temperature. Now imagine you use this as a room and you want to keep it 65 degrees year round during the winter or whatever. You can set it on your remote and your heater will turn on automatically for you. Or if you don't live in here 24/7 or something, you just use this occasionally, but you have water in here or you have like a little makeshift kitchen or some electronics you don't want to get frozen, go ahead and set it to like 40, 45 degrees. So anytime it gets too gnarly outside, it'll at least keep things from being not frozen in here. This is so sick. Okay, it's nighttime. We got power plugged in, as you can see right here. Let's go ahead and start her up. Power button. H10. Inside the tent is 46 degrees. So we'll give this a couple minutes to start up and we will check the temperature again in just a second. Oh yeah, it's been on for about 3 minutes now. And it is coming out nice and hot. That nice dry air. Let's check the temp again. Already 48, so it came up 2.5 degrees. And for the first startup, it's actually not that loud. I do have it all the way up to number 10. So I'm assuming within about 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna get warmed up real fast here. Stay tuned. I can already tell you with great certainty that it's already so comfortable in here. It's 55 degrees now. Okay guys, I missed it just by a little bit. 71.2 degrees Fahrenheit and it is 7:31. Alright, roughly 10 minutes for the heater to heat up this entire space here. All the way up here as well. And we were at 71.2 degrees. We went from 55 degrees to 71 in a matter of 10 minutes. Okay, this is the heater how it sounds at number 1. Barely even noticeable. I wouldn't even notice it unless you told me. Yeah, she purrs. Now let's get right up to the actual box itself and see what she sounds like. Which is a nice sign. You don't hear that pump ticking at all. And it's heating up the space in here. So I'm very satisfied with the sound of this. So there you have it, guys, the Hcalory all-in-one toolbox diesel heater here. This is going to be their flagship product of 2025 and 2026. All-in-one unit. It has a remote control that also acts as a thermostat, which is amazing. It is snowproof, waterproof, weatherproof, like you saw me douse this whole thing with a bunch of water here. It's gonna get a major go for me. That's a triple major go. Comes with 1.9 gallon tank here, or 7.5 liter, which has the endurance to last up to 62.5 hours of continuous runtime. Very compact. It sips diesel, it sips power, and I can't wait to be using this all winter long. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, I'll leave the link down in the description if you guys are interested in the Hcalory toolbox diesel heater here. Shout out to the notification squad, those that have the little bell icon clicked on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Stay strong, and until next time, peace out, players.